Alrighty, guys. I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and say, let's go ahead and get into this drawing. I'm gonna start off, with the skin tones, and then I'm gonna add the background and everything, and then I'll be done, and we'll be right back with the finished product. To pad out the runtime of this video, I'll be doing some other things as well to try to, reach the 10-minute mark. Or maybe not. I don't know. Most likely I'll try to reach a 10-minute mark. But yeah, we'll be right back and enjoy the video, please. Alright, first off, I want to go ahead and get it over with and say I'm done with the drawing of Speedosound Sonic, and yes, I'm back to doing pacing videos, pacing back and forth, but yes, I'm done. Once again, there are a few things I could have done better. I had to go and get some new markers and stuff, which is what the rest of this video is about to be about, because it occurred to me that I think I might just maybe a little bit of a problem, maybe a little. Okay, so last time I mentioned that I went on a bit of a little mini artist haul, and I went to go. I swear I was only there to pick up a few grays, and then it didn't happen because I got spammed with a bunch of coupons, and I ended up buying more than that. So I ended up getting a whole, and if you're wondering why I'm not recording at my desk, you'll see why in a bit. Yeah, I, not that. I bought some more. But then that wasn't it. I didn't stop. Last time I bought these and these. Well, now I got these. And then I still didn't stop. And then I ended up getting these. They were on sale. And then I still didn't stop. And this is why I'm not recording at my desk, because I got this. I mean, at least it's helpful. Now I gotta find a way to set up a light on it. But, as you can see, I've hooked up my tablets again. I have to move everything off the desk in order to put it up there. Oh, one more thing. I finally bought a gel pen, a white gel pen. That's what I needed. This Faber-Castell Pit Artist Pen brush is alright, but the gel pen is way better. So that's that. Yeah. That's how that's going. But, now since I've gotten this all set up, I think I can go forth with doing art commissions. So if any of you want to put out a commission in the comments, let me know and I'll get to you. I'll probably just link my email on Facebook in the description, and then, you know, we can talk business, I guess, and figure out how this thing's gonna go. But yeah, I now have a bit of a more professional setup. Oh yeah. Hold up. Let me just this thing, this T-roller thing also came with that. Yeah. That's all I got, really. I mean, I'm not going to be doing any more drawing in this video, and it's probably going to take me a while to put out the next one. So, yeah. All I gotta say is, thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it, hit dislike if you didn't. You know, once again, comment if you want a commission, or if not, just comment what you did like about the video or didn't like about the video, or what you want to see next. I'm still doing the raffle, the randomizer thing that I still have going on. So, unless you guys want me to do something specifically. And with that being said, don't forget to share with friends and family, and I will see you all in the next video. Entertainment Studios, signing off. Later.